Hello folks, welcome back. It's Jordy from Mercedes-Benz Saskatoon, your factory order specialist. Wanted to give you guys an update on your GLE 450 that you guys have ordered. Great news, it has been produced. It was built at the factory in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Now that factory was established in 1997. It builds SUVs exclusively. You get the GLE, the GLE Coupe, the GLS, the EQE SUV, and the EQS SUV. These SUVs are exported to markets all across the world, including Canada. The plant blends advanced robotics with hands-on craftsmanship. The robots handle ultra-precise tasks like body welding and structural assembly, where the skilled technicians focus on things like interior fit and finish, final assembly, and quality inspections. I just wanted to thank you guys again for this whole experience. We've never done this one before where you guys picked the order, so we are very excited to see the vehicle arrive, to see how you guys have spec'd it and ordered it out. So stay tuned for when the vehicle does arrive.